Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the best chile relleno casserole. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by roasting 7 peppers. I'm using 2 chile poblanos and 5 green peppers. So we're just going to completely char them. Okay, so once our chiles are fully charred, we're going to transfer them to our plastic bag. We're going to cover it and allow the chiles to sweat for at least 10 minutes. Alright guys, so after 10 minutes, we can get our chiles ready. Okay, so we're just going to peel the chiles. Okay, we're going to remove the stem. Cut it open. And remove the seeds as well. Okay, we're just going to set it to the side and repeat to the rest of the chiles. Okay, so once we have our chiles ready, now we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so now we're going to get our egg batter ready. So we're going to separate 6 egg whites from its yolk. Okay. To our egg whites, we're going to be adding half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt. I'm using 3/4 of a teaspoon. And now we're just going to beat until they're nice and fluffy. And you just want to make sure that your eggs are at room temperature. Okay, and after 3 minutes, our egg whites should be nice and fluffy. And you're going to know that they're ready once you flip it over and they don't fall. Okay, so now we're ready to add the rest of our ingredients. And that's the egg yolks, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 of a cup of milk. Make sure that it's at room temperature. And now we're just going to mix on low speed until everything is well combined. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our egg batter ready. So now we are ready to put our casserole together. Okay, so here I have my small baking dish, and I'm just going to spray it with a little avocado oil. We're going to be adding a little bit of our batter. Okay, and just spread it. Now we're going to grab our chiles. I already have my cheese ready and I'm using queso Oaxaca along with chopped onion, tomatoes, and chile serrano. So just kind of fill in your chile. Top it with the vegetables. I'm going to place it on top of the batter. And grab the other chile. Place it in there. Repeat the process until you have the bottom of your baking dish covered with the chiles. Okay, so now we're going to grab the rest of our chiles and just lay them on top of those chiles. Okay, so once we have it all laid like that, we're going to add the rest of our egg batter. Okay, make sure that it is all nice and even. Going to cover it with the rest of our cheese. Okay, and I use 20 ounces of cheese. And of course, I'm going to top it with the rest of my vegetables. Okay, so now we can get ready to bake. Okay, so now we're going to bake between 40 to 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, and while we wait, we're going to make our salsa. So in a small saucepan, we're going to add 4 Roma tomatoes, a small piece of onion, chile serrano or jalapeño, I'm using 3, and chile de árbol, I'm using 5. So we're just going to cover them with water, set it on high heat, and bring it to a boil. Alrighty, and once it comes to a boil, we're going to transfer it to our blender cup. Okay, so now we can get ready to blend. To our blender cup, we're also going to add 2 small garlic cloves, salt, black pepper, and half a teaspoon of oregano. and we're going to blend with a 1/4 cup of water. Okay, so blending to smooth. All right, so now we're going to lightly fry it. Okay, to the same saucepan, make sure that you dry it out. Add a little bit of oil and set it on medium heat. Okay, so once hot, we're going to add our salsa. Okay, we're going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. So now we're just going to allow it to continue simmering for 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, we have our salsa. So now we're just going to continue waiting for our chile rellenos. And after 45 minutes, we're going to get our chile relleno casserole out. And now we're going to allow it to sit between 20 to 25 minutes, and then we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, so now we can get ready for the fun part. So we're just going to scrape the sides. We're just going to cut right into it. And of course, depending on how big you want to serve them, grab your plate, serve. I'm going to grab my salsa. And you can add crema mexicana as well, whatever toppings you want. Just going to drizzle that salsa. And you add as much as you want, or you put it on the bottom. But just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. And if you want to serve it on top of the salsa, just like that. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this recipe is seriously super easy to make. It's fast, you know, it's a little time consuming. Just the hardest part is just waiting. That's it, but other than that, it's really seriously super easy. So surprise your family for breakfast. And if you love chile rellenos but just don't like going through the whole process, or if you just don't like the chile rellenos because they are so oily, then this recipe is just going to be perfect for you. It's so easy. And to make that egg a little bit even fluffier, use heavy cream instead of the milk. But let me tell you that it's seriously the best. The egg is fluffy, of course, the cheesy chile relleno, everything you can ask for. Look at that. So good. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, just whenever. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. It's not missing anything, you know? It's a whole chile relleno, just like that. You can get creative, add some meat, but like this, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make the best chile relleno casserole. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.